This time. Okay, what we have here is a redneck pool, and as you can see, all this is full of water. Now, let's say we were to open the tailgate and let all the water go out at once. I have a feeling that's going to be funny, so here it goes. Whoa! Look at the action, the floodiness. Oh, it's getting wet. Oh. Look at all this water go down the street. It's like we created our very own flood. See? Look at some. You look at this mass amount of water. Look at it just flooding. All this is making its way down the street. Hey, look what happens when it gets to the downhill part. Then it picks up speed. Sorry about my shadow. But look at the speed it picks up going downhill. Look how fast it's going. Hold on. See, look at the speed and the integrity of the water as it wipes out everything in its path. See, in this flooding demonstration, let's imagine all these leaves are little houses and a massive rainstorm comes down. Look at the power of water. Well, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.